Hello, greetings and salutations. If you ever buy one of these four-way split videos for your truck, let's see if we get into focus here. If you're stealth camping, or even if you just have it for your truck for your left indicator, right indicator, reverse and forward cameras, if it's in Chinese and you don't know where to go to change the language, this is how you do it. So, I don't know if you can see these buttons. It's kind of dark here. I'm stealth camping in a parking lot in a shopping center. So what you do is you click on the menu button, and it's this one over here. This is the system settings. So you can push plus or minus. Minus brings it one way, plus brings it the other way. So we're going to go there, then we're going to go hit this little arrow left, arrow right button, and that'll bring us to this screen. Now what you want is the third one down. So once again, plus and minus. Oh, I timed out. So let's do this again. So we want the third one down, and then hit that arrow left or right button. And this is your languages. So what you do is you just keep pushing this arrow left and right button until your language shows up. Now that's in English. Now you just let it go and it'll time out and it'll be in English. And there you go. Now you got cam 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hope this video helps, and thank you much, and have a good day. Bye.